Reliance Industries is a giant in the Indian economy. It was founded by Dhirubhai Ambani, a visionary entrepreneur. Ambani started small but had big dreams. He believed in hard work and taking risks. His journey began with textiles and expanded into a vast empire. Today, Reliance Industries touches the lives of millions of Indians. Dhirubhai's sons, Mukesh and Anil, inherited his business acumen. They have taken Reliance Industries to new heights. The company is now a global player in various sectors. Reliance is known for its innovation and commitment to India's growth. Reliance Industries is like a tree with many strong branches. Each branch represents a major business area. One of the biggest branches is petrochemicals and refining. Reliance has massive refineries that process crude oil into fuels and chemicals. This business generates significant revenue for the company. Another key branch is telecommunications. Reliance Jio, launched in 2016, revolutionized the Indian telecom sector. With affordable data plans, Jio connected millions of Indians to the internet. This move transformed how people communicate and access information. Reliance also has a strong presence in retail. Reliance Retail operates supermarkets, electronics stores and fashion outlets. It offers a wide range of products at competitive prices, catering to diverse consumer needs. Finally, Reliance is investing heavily in new energy and renewables. The company recognizes the importance of sustainable development. It is building solar plants and investing in green technologies. This commitment to clean energy is crucial for India's future. Reliance Industries is a publicly listed company. Its financial performance is closely watched by investors. The company has a history of strong revenue growth and profitability. In recent years, Reliance has made significant investments in new areas like telecom and retail. These investments have started to pay off, contributing to the company's overall earnings. Reliance's strong financial performance is a testament to its leadership and business strategy. Section 4. Investment Outlook. Riding the growth wave. Investing in Reliance. Industries can be an attractive opportunity. The company is a leader in multiple sectors with strong growth potential. India's economy is expanding rapidly, and Reliance is well positioned to benefit from this growth. Its diversification across different industries makes it a resilient investment. Reliance's focus on technology and innovation further strengthens its investment appeal. Investors are drawn to companies that embrace new ideas and adapt to changing market dynamics. Reliance's track record of innovation suggests a commitment to staying ahead of the curve. Section 5. Navigating the risks. A balanced view. While Reliance Industries presents a compelling investment case, it is essential to acknowledge the risks. The company operates in highly competitive sectors, facing constant pressure to innovate and maintain its market share. Government regulations and policies can significantly impact Reliance's businesses. Furthermore, Reliance's investments in new areas like green energy carry inherent risks. The success of these ventures depends on factors such as government support, technological advancements, and consumer adoption. Section 6. Conclusion. The Reliance story continues. Reliance Industries, a symbol of Indian entrepreneurship, has come a long way since its inception. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global conglomerate, Reliance's journey is a testament to its adaptability and ambition. The company's foray into new sectors like telecommunications, retail, and green energy demonstrates its commitment to growth and innovation. Investing in Reliance Industries offers potential rewards, but also comes with risks. Therefore, conducting thorough research and understanding the company's business model, competitive landscape, and future prospects is crucial before making any investment decisions. As Reliance continues to evolve and shape India's economic landscape, its story remains an intriguing one to follow.